Now we're going over to Dale Cedars in the 24/7 Weather Center to find out when Isaac might make landfall. What do you think, Dale?
Well, Bertha, as you were talking about, it is a tropical storm Isaac right now. It's got some wind speeds of around 65 miles per hour as it is churning through the Gulf. You can see it just off the coast of Miami. So as we're tracking this storm, this is what we're kind of anticipating it to happen. It looks like it could actually strike the land between Louisiana and Mississippi. Late Tuesday night, you're going to start feeling the effects. The eye itself may actually strike then early Wednesday morning. So we're going to start seeing the effects of Tropical Storm Isaac, which, as we mentioned, could become a hurricane by the time it makes landfall. Could become a Category 2. And Category 2 means that with those wind speeds, sustained wind speeds will be over 96 miles per hour. So right now, again, we're looking at speeds at 65 miles per hour. A Category 1 hurricane is 74 miles per hour sustained winds. So we're going to expect a decent amount of destruction as this hits landfall. Again, it looks like it's going to hit most likely between Louisiana and Mississippi right there along the coast. And that is why there are such precautions being taken place right now. Back here at home, we are dealing with a completely different story. Look at our current temperatures. We are already hot. Here in Denver, 91 degrees. Greeley, 79. Fort Collins, 82. Cooler out on the western slope, 78 degrees. That's because they're getting a little bit of cloud coverage that's pushing right on through. Our winds, they're out of the south, southwest, about 10 miles per hour right now. They're going to stay pretty light. Our humidity is starting to drop. We're only at 15% right now. This is the reason that the western slope is just a little bit cooler, because we can see some of this monsoonal moisture pushing through and bringing just a little bit of rain showers and some cloud coverage off to the west. Unfortunately, the winds are not going to be strong enough to blow it over into the Denver area and off to the eastern plains. So we are in for a very hot day. We're going to jump into those mid-90s later on this afternoon and then stay warm because they're not going to see the cloud coverage or the rain to cool us off. Look at this. At 9 o'clock tonight, our temperatures will only drop down to around 80 degrees. Now, Bertha, it looks like today we're going to beat a record. In fact, we have officially beaten that record right now by hitting that 90-degree mark here in Denver. I'll detail and give you exactly what that means to us coming up next.
Wow.